Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a webcam to your OBS. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application and opened it. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to add the webcam. At the bottom left corner of the screen, in the Sources tab, you will see the plus button right here. That is Add Sources. Click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, what you need to focus on is simply this video capture device. Click on it. Now from here, what you guys need to do is simply hit on OK in context that you do not want to rename it. For now, I'm just gonna click on OK. Once you do, it's gonna provide you with two options, whether you can select the integrated webcam or the OBS virtual camera. Right now, I just want to add the webcam, so it's okay with me. Once you've done that, do note that you can change the settings as well. Once everything's okay, simply hit on OK. And guys, this is it. From here, simply change its position and add it wherever you wish. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how we add a webcam in OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.